throw up, Brian?
No.
How's that gonna work?
I know.
Get her out of the truck. They're kidnapping her.
We're in the bushes.
Oh, my keys.
I guess
Spinner.
Grandma against the truck.
Bang.
Oh.
All right. You hold on to me for it. All two.
I feel sleepy as hell.
Oh, yeah. Me too. Your turn.
Oh my God.
Go, 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 go.
You gotta kidnap her.
Tony, you gotta kidnap her. Go. Wait, the mask.
It's recording. Now.
Yeah, I know. It's just like the stupid.
You cannot jump.
Yeah, this is like the slowest kidnapping ever.
Yeah. My pants are fluffy. What we're looking for.
He can kidnap for shit.